Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Yes, madami talagang nagtatanong, ano bang ibig sabihin ng PCOS? PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. It is actually a complex endocrine disorder. Okay, huwag kayong matakot, hindi po to cancer. Ito po ay nagagamot. Ito po hindi ho nangangailangan ng surgery. You don't need surgery and this is not going to lead to cancer. Unang-una, this is actually characterized by the following. There are women who will complain of menstrual abnormalities. Irregular sila, hindi buwan-buwan sila nagre-regla. So, may possibility na may PCOS sila. Pangalawa, bigla na lang nakita nila by ultrasound, meron silang tinatawag na polycystic ovaries sa ultrasound. Pangatlo, merong iba, napapansin nila, tumataba sila. Tapos dumadami ang pimples, dumadami ang buhok. Lahat sasabihin nila, pag silang pumunta sa doktor, sasabihin nila, PCOS.